Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel reservation on Yelp app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to cancel reservation. I'll show you how to cancel reservation on Yelp app. We'll start opening up your Yelp app. Then once you open up your Yelp app, you're gonna wrap on this main screen right here. Look all on the bottom right hand corner, we're gonna say more. Tap on more. Then you're gonna wrap on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, look where it says reservations. Make sure you tap on where it says reservation right there. Tap on it. Then you're gonna wrap on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, make sure you tap where it says edit. Right there, as you guys can see, tap on edit right there. Then make sure you scroll down. You can scroll down and see all the stuff, or you can try to add more stuff, but right now we are cancel. As you look there, your reservation right there, just tap on cancel right there. Make sure to tap on cancel right there. Tap on it, and they're gonna ask you cancel reservation. Just tap on cancel right there. And that's how you cancel reservation on the Yelp app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial, as you can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.